welcome back to Rockstars, and today we're going to be learning about internet 5G and wireless connection. Let's go for it. So 5G is a cellular network faster 100 times more than 4G. So we all have been using 4G like in the past, but then yeah, most of them might know 5G, which is a cellular network faster 100 times more than the one which we used previously. Let's see how 5G runs. So 5G basically runs on the same radio frequencies that are currently being used for your smartphone, okay, on Wi-Fi networks and in satellite communications, but it enables technology to go a lot further. So we are going to be learning how 5G is enabling technology to go a lot further. Evolution of 5G. First, 1G. The 1G era was defined by briefcase-sized phones and short conversations between a relatively small number of professional people. So, I think you might know Nokia. So that's a very good example of briefcase-sized phones. So 1G was defined by briefcase-sized phones and short conversations, which is relatively small number of professional people. 2G. After 1G came 2G. In the lead to 2G, the technology grew and never slowed down. After we found 2G, the technology keep on grew and it never slowed down. 3G and then came 3G. SMS and internet access were hallmarks in the 3G and tech world. Then came the SMS and internet when 3G was found. After 3G came 4G. In the 4G world, we got introduced to app stores and YouTube. You know why we marked this? Because in the 4G world only, we came to know about apps and YouTube and all. So 4G is the turning point. 3G and 4G is very, very important. 2G is where the technology grew and never slowed down. And then 5G, the best for now. Now 5G is completely reshaping both our professional and personal lives by enabling new use cases like connected vehicles, augmented reality, and enhanced video and gaming. Some of you might know virtual reality, right? So that basically works on 5G. So 5G is completely taking us to a whole new world of professional and personal lives by enabling a lot of use cases, like connected vehicles. You might know Tesla car, right? Which is a very good connective vehicle which works on 5G. Worldwide deployment of 5G. Okay, so South Korea was the first country to implement 5G in April 2019. So South Korea was the first country to implement 5G. The major carriers AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon have launched low-band spectrum 5G services at the end of 2019 in the several states of US. After South Korea, US was the country which had launched the low-band spectrum 5G services. And then Philippines was the first country in Southeast Asia to start 5G network after Globe Telecom commercially launched its 5G data plans to customers in June 19. So Philippines was the first country in Southeast Asia to start 5G network. China, United Kingdom, Australia, Japan and Germany have also implemented the 5G network. So 5G in India. Major telecom companies like Reliance Jio with Samsung, Vodafone Idea with Ericsson, and Airtel with Nokia are developing an effective way to 5G environment in India. So major telecom companies like Reliance, Samsung, Vodafone and all are developing to make an effective path in for the 5G environment in India. A wireless network is so now after 5G we are coming to wireless network. A wireless network is a computer network that uses wireless data connections between network nodes. The first professional wireless network was developed under the brand ALOHA Net in 1969 at the University of Hawaii and became operational in June 1971. The first commercial wireless network product was the Wavelan product family developed by NCR in 1986. So the first commercial wireless product was by Wavelan product family which was developed by NCR in 1986. Types of wireless connections: wireless PAN, wireless MAN, wireless LAN, wireless WAN, wireless and HAWK network, cellular network, private LTE, and which is also known as 5G networks, open source, global area network, and space networks. So that's all for this part. Meet you in another part of 5G and wireless connections. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this video. Like, share this to your friends.